Okay guys, so when I was here earlier today, it was covered in fog. Couldn't see anything. But right now, we can see something. It's not the best view that I've seen in northern Thailand, but hey, this is what we got. So time to eat my second meal, my first real meal. First thing I had was that little bun. Kamudang, red pork and rice. I'm hungry, so time to eat. Check this out. See in the background, this waterfall? That's where I'm gonna go. About a mile away. So, I'm looking forward to seeing how it looks closer up. I arrived at the waterfall. Let's check it out. We see one already in the background. Let's get up close. So it seems like I'm gonna have to walk a little hike. You have some hotels over here. Alright, time to go for the walk. The water is here. Now I'll just have to keep walking up this easy trail. I hope the trail continues to be this easy. We will get there in no time. It's really pleasant weather, guys. It's like 1 p.m. right now, and it's not hot at all. Especially since it's nice and shady. It's actually kind of cold. Very pleasant surprise for Thailand. Let's check out the sign. And one more over here. Check out this interesting flower here. I don't know what this is, but it looks interesting. Continue walking the trail. And once again, it's really windy. The water is so strong. It's awesome. I love it. There's not really a trail, but you just walk up the mountain on a dirt road. Maybe we can find another opening to see the waterfall up close. You can hear it in the background. Let's check it out. Let me show you the trail. So pretty much I'm walking up a mountain. I'm gonna walk up this. Keep going up the rocks. A little bit dangerous because there's no signage. You don't know where to go. You're just walking up rocks. up the mountain. See how it goes. So far, so good. Check out this view. There's some water lines blocking the natural beauty of the waterfall, but hey, at least I was able to get up close. I'm gonna go in through here and see if I can get even higher. It's not even a trail. What the heck am I even doing? Is this even a trail? Like, I'm telling you guys, you're better off waiting at the bottom of the waterfall. Unless you're super adventurous, I wouldn't recommend coming this way. You guys might get lost if you try to copy me. I mean, look, there's not even a trail. But if there's a will, there's a way. An adventure is calling my name. So let's do this. As long as you see this, you know there's a man. Man has been here before, so if they can do it, why not myself? But yeah, don't bring any children here. Thank goodness there's no mosquitoes. That'd be a pain in the butt. Where am I supposed to go now? Down, down. Cautious. Oh boy. Where am I going? Guys, have I lost my mind? Why am I walking here? Where to go now? Keep going up or head back to the jungle and hope I find my way? Decisions, decisions. Gotta make them quick. I think we're gonna keep going. The waterfall keeps going down here. They're filtering the water over here. And check out this bug I see. This is as far as I'm gonna go. I don't feel like getting my shoes wet. I don't feel like staying here much longer. I still have 2 more waterfalls I want to stop at. Well, it was a nice little detour. A detour to the middle of nowhere. Okay guys, I'm at another waterfall. Wachirathan Waterfall. I think that's what it's called. I'm already getting wet. I feel the water spraying at me. Check it out. My phone and myself is getting slightly sprayed. And I'm still so far away. I could only imagine what would happen if I get up close. I'll give it a shot. Let's go for it. Whoa, almost fell down. Watch your steps, ladies and gentlemen. Let me change the camera so you can check it out for yourself. Wachirathan Waterfall. It's so powerful. Even from over here, there's water spraying out. You can see some mist. I'm not sure if the camera can catch it, but you see that? That's from the waterfall. It's very easy to access because the car park is right over here. So you park your car and you can go to the waterfall very easily. So from the car park, you climb up the stairs and you see the mist and you see the waterfall. This is probably the best waterfall in Doi Inthanon. And this is the bottom part of the waterfall. The water flows down through here. And continues down this way. This is the last stop on my list for Doi Inthanon, Mae Klang Waterfall. I'm assuming I have to go this way to see the actual waterfall. Right now it's just this. I see you can eat over here. You have some seats. I'll check the food out afterward. First, my priority is to climb up to the top and see the viewpoint of the waterfall. So catch you guys when I arrive there. Okay guys, this is the waterfall. Not as impressive as I thought it would be. Nah, I'm just kidding. The waterfall's actually this way. So I have to walk a bit more. Just walking down this road along the water. It's very peaceful. Plenty of shade. Beware of flash flood. I don't think I have to worry about that up here though. Where? Oh, I see the waterfall. Check it out, you guys. This is the waterfall. See what the sign says first. Okay. It's actually quite nice. They also have some mist. We made it, guys. The last stop on the itinerary for Doi Inthanon. I don't think it's safe to go swimming here, but still it's pretty. Bamboos. And check out this view on top of the waterfall. You can literally go for a swim right here. and meet your demise by going down here. Crazy. Continuing up the hike, there's some weird signage. Pakana Rock Paint IV. I don't know what that is. Maybe we can Google translate this. There's literally a giant rock formation. Looks cool. If you guys climb up the little hiking trail near the waterfall, you'll see this mountain, this rock formation. But I'm soaking wet. I think I'm about to head out now for real. There's always a distraction for me. Every time I see a hiking trail, every time I see something new, I'm always inclined to investigate. But the moment I see there's nothing to see, cut the cord, guys. Don't need to get yourself lost. Especially in Thailand, in the forest. You don't want to get hurt. And then how the heck is a hospital gonna help you out? How is anybody gonna find you? Alright, time to descend down this little cliff and proceed to get out of the national park. The rocks are over here. Now go down the little trail. Please guys, don't pollute. Very unnecessary. I hate to see that. Don't swim here, guys. Unless you're a daredevil. Alright, time to head out of here. Before I head back home, check out this cute guy. Hello! What happened? Don't be scared. Come over here. It's a girl. Sorry. Bye-bye. Look at this cute cat over here. I like its color. It's like a silver color. Hello! Hey! Hello! Let's see if it's friendly. Oh, no, it's not. Wow, the cat here is a scaredy cat. It wants to be left alone. And the dog is like, don't touch me, I'm full. Well, it's all good. Not all pets, not all animals are friendly. Sometimes they're scared. Alright, time to get out of here and go to the Chiang Mai Old Town.